Yo, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix alert box on Streamlabs and every simple thing and every problem you face on Streamlabs about notification and alert box, and if someone followed you, and if someone just give you a donation or something and notification don't show up, I will fix it. Okay, so make sure. Okay, if we go to alert box, like we will test like a donation or something. Okay, this is Streamlabs, like send test. Okay, it show up here. Okay, but when a real one like send you a donation or follow or subscribe, it doesn't show up in Twitch or Facebook or any platform you are streaming. Okay, I will fix it now. I will fix it now. Believe me. Okay, you will go actually to you will open your dashboard on whatever account and go to setting. It's just simple, boys, and go to API setting and then go to widget setting and then just hit reset alert box setting. I promise you 100% that all of your problem will be fixed. Trust me, just do that. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I don't want to make it too long, so before you close the video, I hope you go to my Twitch and follow my channel and support me, because I'm a younger streamer, so I need just a little support. I need too much support actually. Peace out. See ya later. Have a nice day, guys. GG.